Hello everyone, welcome back again, and today we'll discuss about passive income ideas. Okay, many of you know the passive income is the most exciting income of this century because it earns money, it generates money, and when you sleep and money work for you. So that's why I have short out some very exciting passive income ideas that will be very helpful for you. Okay, the first one is start a drop shipping store. Drop shipping is very popular now, and a lot of people around the world earning a lot of money through drop shipping. You know what drop shipping? Drop shipping is just you don't need any warehouse or stock of your product. You just own a website, maybe from WordPress or Shopify. You design your website beautifully, add your content like product picture, product videos, and you do marketing. Okay, Facebook ad, Google ad, or other kind of a Pinterest ad or Instagram ad. So when you advertising, then you will generate some order, right? After getting order, you will find the supplier. You can go alibaba.com or taobao.com. You will find a lot of supplier, and if you want to source from India, then you may go India Mart or made in China. A lot of option there. So then you will source your product, and if you buy from China like Alibaba or Taobao, they will directly ship to the product to your customer. Okay, so that's very profitable business. And next business is blog. This is my personally very favorite thing. Because blog is, I think, in this decade, blogging is the most favorite and most common passive income concept. You just make a website and publish some article or product review, you will find, and the visitors will visit your site, and you will earn money through different kind of monetization like Google AdSense, or you may sell your own product or advertising. So that's important. You can start your blog today. Next thing is creating a print on demand online store. Print on demand is also very helpful for new or students or who have less capital to start passive income. You can visit Teespring or a lot of platform there, Motifi there, Printful there. You can start a print on demand store. You will just t-shirt design or mock design or other things, and when you generate order, the print on demand company will print this on their t-shirt or whatever product and shipped on behalf of you. This is very good idea. And another thing is stock investment. It's so popular. A lot of people are investing in different kind of stocks. So try to find out some stocks that's valuable and that will be very uh, there's some stock like technology stock, blue chip stock. Those gives very good return. Okay, or you can go for index investment. And another thing is creating a course. Okay, creating a course is very great because nowadays a lot of people earning money through their course. A lot of platform there who will host your course, and you can earn there, right? Or you can upload it from the Coursera or other course platform like Udemy. You can earn a lot of money.